In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about your Homeowner Portal account, from creating the account to logging in and updating the account. Let's begin by creating an account. On the login screen, click Create Account. Then enter the required information: email, password, and cell phone number. You can also indicate whether you want to receive emails about your application. We recommend opting into SMS multi-factor authentication, which secures your account by requiring 2 steps for identification at login. Only opt out of this security feature if you are accessing your account from a trusted personal device. Select the checkbox to confirm you're a person and then click Verify Registration. You'll receive an email like this with a code to enter on the next screen. After you enter the code, you'll begin the pre-qualification process by answering a few questions about the program you're applying for and basic information about yourself. Let's look at logging in next. When you click Login, you'll be asked to verify your identity using the authentication code sent to the phone number you provided, if you opted into that security feature. Enter the code and click Verify. If you previously completed the pre-qualification questions, you are taken directly to the dashboard and your application. Need to manage your account? No problem. Click the profile link at the top of any page to head to My Profile. Here you can change your password, update whether you want to receive emails about your application, change the account email, and manage the account phone number settings. The account email is what you'll use to log in and access your application. It's also where the system will send emails about your application if you have that option selected. In the multi-factor authentication information section, you can update whether to use 2-step identity verification at login and update the phone number used for verification. That covers the basics of account management. You're now ready to move on to completing your application.